Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Before discussing nature of the roots for quadratic equation, first we have to know about discriminant. Discriminant b²-4ac of the quadratic expression ax² plus bx plus c, or for quadratic equation ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a must not equal to 0. So the term b²-4ac is called discriminant for quadratic equation. We know that two roots of the quadratic equation ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is minus b plus square root b²-4ac divided by 2a, and the another root minus b minus square root b²-4ac divided by 2a. The nature of these roots depends on the value of b²-4ac, which is called discriminant of the quadratic equation 1, or the quadratic expression ax² plus bx plus c. To find the discriminant of a given quadratic equations. Now in example 1, find the discriminant of the following equations. 2x² minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 2. The value of b is the coefficient of x minus 7, and the value of c is constant, which is 1. So discriminant b²-4ac, putting the values minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1. So by simplification, minus 7 whole square is equal to 49, and the multiplication of 4 to 1 is 8, which is equal to 41. Now discriminant for x² minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1, value of b is minus 3, and value of c is equal to 3. Now discriminant b²-4ac, putting the values, here the values of b is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3. Minus 3 square is equal to 9, and 4 multiplied by 1 into 3 is equal to 12. So 9 minus 12 is equal to minus 3. So here the discriminant is positive, and here the discriminant is negative, less than 0. Nature of the roots of a quadratic equation through discriminant. The roots of the quadratic equation ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are the quadratic formula, and its discriminant is b²-4ac. It means that root under the square root is called discriminant. When a, b, and c are rational number, Then we have to discuss the following 4 cases. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and is perfect square, then the roots are rational and unequal. If the discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and is not perfect square, then the roots will be irrational and unequal. In third case, if the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are rational and will be equal. Means in these 3 cases, roots will be real. Means if b square minus 4ac greater or than equal to 0, then roots will be real. Now in 4 case, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then roots are imaginary, means complex conjugate of each other. From these 4 cases, we decide the nature of the root of a quadratic equation. This is the end of lecture. Thank you. It's enough for today.